feel like there was more. I don't know what happened. So let's do a little haul. We're gonna do a little mini house refresh because my house is a hot mess, and that's every day, all day. So don't feel bad if your home is a hot mess, because everybody's house is a hot mess. Don't let nobody tell you that lie, okay? So from Ross, I picked up this cutting board. This is a dupe for the Studio McGee cutting board that they have for $30 or $35. I did went ahead and pick that one up. That's before I found this one at Ross. So I just went ahead and picked this one up. You can't beat it for the price, $8.99. And I love cutting boards. I got a little truck from Hobby Lobby from their spring collection. I didn't get the colored one. I just got the black and white. Oh, that's pretty. I just got the black and white because this is very versatile. You can use it year round. That's how I keep my decor like at a minimum, instead of getting, you know, seasonal stuff that's just for one season and I have to store it. I just get stuff that's like neutral. That way I can use it year round. I picked this one up from the spring collection. It has a purple hue to it, and I just love it. It was $2.99, I believe, 40% off. From Target, I got this milk frother for $8.99. Hobby Lobby, I got this floral stem for $7.99. I'm going to use it on my tier tray situation. I'm collecting these because Hobby Lobby 40% off coupon is going away, and these are never on sale. So I'm stocking up on these. I have a ton of them, but I love them so much. You can use these to hang off with tier tray. It's so versatile. I have one over there. Then I got these floral stem, $9.99, 50% off, and they have a little bit of rust to them, so I can use these in the fall as well. And then I found this guy at Hobby Lobby. Been looking since I moved here for this guy, and I went in, and sure enough, there he was, sitting pretty. So this was $150, I believe, something like that, and I paid $80 with taxes. From Target, I picked this guy up the other day. I think it's so cute, $5.99. Then from Heart and Hand Collection, I picked up this utensil holder. It was $14.99, and then I got a bunch of their dollar utensils. And then from Ross, I picked up this pack of wooden spoons for $3.99 because I'm going to replace all my utensils. From Target, I got this vase, these two vases. It rang up $25 for this and $30 for this, but on the bottom it says $20 and $25. And then from Hobby Lobby, I picked up some olive branches. So that's why. So let's get into this home refresh.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
Okay guys, so I did not leave this section the way it is. I ended up switching around some stuff, and when I do the kitchen tour, which is coming up in a few days, I will show you guys exactly what I did. I ended up switching this around, but this footage is old, so I wanted to get it out to you guys because yeah, I've just been really unmotivated.
My heart is at war with my thoughts. Oh, and I don't know which side is better. I try to connect all the dots. Oh, to let you in behind my shelter. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? Either come close or stay away. Oh, these words are echoing inside of me. I don't wanna lead you astray. Well, give me clarity so I can see. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find
Okay, guys, I'm getting ready to make over this island, and I need some ideas. At first, I wanted to shiplap it, but I don't think I want that look anymore. But I also want to do something with the island. I just think it's so plain, and I also have to repaint the doors because if you guys don't know, I used chalk paint a few years ago when we moved in, and now it's starting to chip. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to use cabinet paint that's on the rest of my cabinet because I use chalk paint, the white chalk paint, and then it yellowed, so I had to use cabinet paint on my white. So I haven't had no issues with that. So I think I'm gonna do that with my island. Anyways, I'm talking way too much. Okay. Okay, random haul again. Random haul. Target had a set of really small, like the tallest one was like this tall, and then for $25. Hobby Lobby, $6, half off. So $3 for this guy and $2 for this guy. I think there's another size to this, but I think my store was out of it. And then these sits perfectly in here. These were $2.49, so half off of that. That's cute. I need to get the taller one though. I think there's a taller one. Oh my gosh, guys. So let me make sure there's no address on here. I just ordered these on, what day was it?
Yesterday?
I think it was the 18th that I ordered these. Today is the 22nd. And it said it was supposed to come in on Wednesday. Today's Monday. It's snow outside. Let me show you guys. Because I was like, who's ringing my doorbell? There's snow everywhere. It's snowing right now. I'm surprised they came early. So these are my Better Homes and Gardens Walmart recliner, and I love these. I was influenced on Instagram to purchase these. We need more seating in our living room, so I'm gonna clean up the living room, and then I'm gonna build those recliners. I'm breathing hard because I ran down the stairs. And then I'm gonna move this guy because we got a slip cover because the leather is peeling off of it. And this was gonna go back downstairs, but if I can make it work up here, because Rob got a slip cover for it. It's gray, it matches that, and those are beige. I also need to order 2 Madison's playing. I'm sorry, the house is a hot mess. She's playing with her dolls. So I'm gonna order 2 head chairs, and then I'm gonna have 6 of these chairs, but it's gonna be metal. So I'm gonna go ahead and purchase those now. I didn't expect for these to come in so fast, but I'm still on the hunt for a chair, 2 head chairs that looks exactly like those 2. 1 to go here, 1 to go here, and then I'm gonna have 3 here, 3 there. So it's gonna be a total of 8 seating. I took out the leaf to this table. This is really long table. So I'm gonna put the leaf in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and purchase the dining room chairs. These are wood. A few of them broke already, and it's just not stable. So I have to replace those. I really like these, the look of them, but it's just not safe. The quality of the chairs are just, and we've had them for almost 3 years now. The quality is not the greatest. I need to order a rug for underneath this table, but I need to figure out if I'm gonna put this over here and order a new rug for this space. It's just a lot going on in my brain right now, but let's just set this guy up.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch.
Okay, so I like having these here. I just feel like this needs to come over a little bit more, but if I do that, it has to come forward, and then I could put a table in between these. Maybe that's way too much. Maybe I could put a small little table over here, like a really low profile table, small, on this side. But then he gotta go. That big mumbo jumbo gotta go. He's throwing off everything. I gotta clean up over there. This guy, I feel like I should flip him over there, and these guys over here, so that I have more space to lay back into that empty space back there, because I feel like there's too much going on over there. My brain is just going at 50 miles per hour, and nothing is making sense. I need to get some more new throw pillows for these, because this is clashing with it. But for right now, I love them. There's only one small little nick. It's right here. It's fraying already. It has a little bit of fray. And I could probably glue it down. Cut off a little bit of the ends and glue it down. Or I could contact Walmart and let them know that this guy is damaged. Or I could just shut my mouth and live with it. Either or. I paid $2.89 for these guys. And I'm not going to shut my mouth. Paid too much money for it to come damaged. I didn't get it on clearance, any of that. So I might contact them about that, because it's bothering me. Like, it's bothering me. Like, I keep looking at it, but whatever. But they are pretty. If you're looking for recliners without it looking too masculine in your home, because I know that big guy over there, he was way too big for the space and just way too masculine without the cover. So If you're looking for recliners without it looking too, masculine, these are a good option. They come in beige and gray, a lighter gray than this. That's the reason why I didn't get the gray, because it would clash with the gray that I already have going on. So I figured if I could bring beige here and bring beige over there, then, we're good to go. Okay, so I moved this table from over there over here. I'm trying to see if I love the height. It's just too long. I would need something about, this is about 1.5. So I would need something about, and this is about 2.5-ish. Let me see. Where's the tape measure? My house is a hot mess, y'all. This is what happens when you rearrange stuff, but it's time for me to fully decorate. Nope. That's a 3. And then from here to here is, looks like it's going to be another 3. No, that's a 4. That's a 4. That is a 4. So 7, and this table is 70. So what is that? 63? I would need something about 63-ish in length. But I love the color. It would clash with my coffee table. So I'll have to move these coffee table downstairs in the basement, because there's going to be a living space down there once we finish it. So I'll move these down there and get something more on this side color. I'm all in my head right now. I need to stop.